You must have clearance. We need to scan your biosensors. And then a simple wave of your hand will be evaporated to 90%. You will be well taken care of. Indeed. I apologize for not being in person. I'm sure we'll see you very soon.
One.
Follow them. How many here?
Attention! Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by.
And since assemblage of artifacts and today's tour, you will be allowed.
Raise your hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Twilight Bond's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office,
I know.
where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan! What? Of course I escaped! For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
We went on it. It's probably the best roller coaster we've ever done.
Seriously? Yes, really. It was awesome. Check it out. This is... How long was the wait time? You had to get like a time or two. You had to go. Went awesome.
I'm a single rider. Yeah. Good scenery first.
Awful feeling. She's like, we knew, but she said that's not too.
Okay. Shouldn't mess with the restraint.
Real one. Thank
Exacto, ahí no se ve, está pequeño. ¿Qué es lo que se ve con esa por ahí?
Attention please. For your safety once on board, please remain seated with your restraints securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your terran children. Thank you. Para su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y con el cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigilen a sus niños terranos. Gracias.